Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We have the RF here on the alignment rack, but we wanted to show you a quick installation of our FPSpec ND RF hood risers. Obviously for the front of the car, these are our carbon version. They also come in black, but I wanted to give you a good representation of what you'll be getting in the mail when you order. This is it in the package, and this is the exploded view of all the brackets and all the hardwares, including the dampers here that will be installed shortly. So we'll go ahead and show you how quickly these are to get installed.
Alright, we're working on a US spec car, so it has these little black plates here instead of the European explosive charge things. It's very similar installation if you have those. Basically, you're going to start by taking off these bolts. And you're also going to take off your upper hood mounting bolt. Do not touch the lower, that will mess with your hood alignment. You'll take your parts. Your fender bracket goes right on top of the plate, reuses the stock bolts. Hood bracket is going to use this button head and the washer that's provided in the kit. Little tang goes into the little hole right there, and then your bolt goes into the threaded hole. Next, they'll take out these little clips, pop those guys out, hold on to them, don't lose them. You're going to want to start up at the hood, pop that into place, and put the clip back in. Then you'll have to lift up on the hood a little bit. I'm gonna pop that hood strut out real quick. Having a friend pop out the hood strut is always handy. And then pop that right on there. And then pop your clip in. All done.
Alright guys, that's how we did the driver side. Now rinse and repeat over here on the passenger side, and we'll show you what it looks like complete. Alright guys, that concludes the installation. As you guys saw, this is our 2020 brand new RF rehab going right here. As you've been seeing, we've got the suspension in, the brakes, the wheels, but we wanted to be able to find a way to get into the engine bay a lot easier. So we wanted to show you how do we install our FPSpec hood risers right here for the RF Miata. As you guys can tell, you just pull down, boom, it goes down, and then you flip the latch, and we're wide open. All right guys, if you have any questions, definitely hit us up in the comments or shoot us an email at info@MiataSpeed.com. We'll be happy to answer any questions you may have.